Okay, so I got off eBay with my refund. Twilight Zone, it runs about $150. The other one that's like a white one is about $100 to $150 for the deluxe. So this one I got on a little bit less. So if you can find them under 150 bucks, definitely worth getting the whole series. The fat pack runs about $200, maybe $300. That one would be the best one to have, but cannot always pay that price. Get the condensed set, complete 80s series, and you don't see them low too often. If you do, definitely pick it up for your collection, because they run about $100 to $150 with shipping on eBay, just for the condensed set. So I'm really happy to have the entire series on my hands. So it's still completely sealed. Sometimes it might take a lot longer to arrive, but it'll be well worth the wait. So I'm going to do all my eBay finds like this from now on. Already opened, unless you want them to open from the box, so you have to let me know. I'll go thrifting up until the cold weather comes, probably one more time next month. And then I might have to buy like one thing off eBay to replace that over the winter and put a little bit more back into my food. But these are all basic. One turned upside down. They're holding very well, but you might be able to replace them into a different case or something. If you want to look a little bit more, just reprint the cover and put it for each season into a different case, so it's kind of more sturdy. But I don't want to mess with that, so I'm going to keep it in the case it comes with. So at least I can watch Twilight Zone now. But later on, when I'm cut up, these are some of the shows I want to get on the deluxe. But for now, I'm getting them in the condensed set, because they're a little bit cheaper. Sometimes the condensed set's about $100 to $150, depends on the person. So the lower, it's always gone right away. So I might have to wait for a while for it to come up again. And sometimes it might be up there for a lower price even, but it's like a region 2. I don't like mixing my DVD formats, so I keep everything in region 1. Sometimes they do post the wrong picture and they will send you region 2 and then you're stuck with it. That's what happens when you're not there picking movies yourself. Somebody else is picking it for you. But if you could get it under $100, it's definitely well worth it. It's $70, $80. Normally it's about $150 on eBay for a condensed set. So if you could get it under $100, it's well worth it. Even $50 to $100. So you won't find it any cheaper than that, unless you buy it maybe off somebody. But off eBay, average price is $150. That's one thing, the value. $150 value. Thanks for watching. Twilight Zone complete. And the other option was the white one, like a newer version. But this one was a little bit cheaper than that one, so I went with this one. And I'm happy to have it. Start to watch Twilight Zone now. Because I don't have nothing in Twilight Zone, and it's not something I find locally. So that's what I have to do, get this stuff off eBay. So I don't have the option to go further out. I know some people, they will go to other cities thrifting, or flea markets, go into other countries, other cities, and they get more stuff that way. I could go into Toronto sometimes, but I'll have to find out the direction of the Goodwill there and see if they have anything for movies. Not always going to be the case, but they might have like a shelf or something, and then it's a waste of time. So you never really know until you see what they have. Sometimes they might have a lot more, or sometimes it might be a lot less. So often you have to pay up for the better titles. So thanks for watching. Try to get a little something off eBay every now and then, but it might be slow coming because depends on how much you put on the shipping, I guess, and how shipping is. Thanks for watching. I don't buy off Amazon because I find Amazon is a lot more than eBay, but it's something a lot of people seem to like Amazon for some reason. I don't know why. But for movies, I find eBay is a lot better than Amazon. Unless you're buying the Blu-ray, then you might want Amazon. But I don't buy Blu-ray, so maybe 1 or 2 Blu-ray might come in per year, and that's it. So it's a fat pack.